Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. In this video, we're taking a look at Zions Bank, specifically their online presence at www.zionsbank.com. Navigating a bank's website can often be a confusing experience, so let's explore what Zions Bank offers and how user-friendly their online platform is. Their homepage typically showcases various services like personal banking, business banking, and wealth management. You'll likely find prominent links for logging in, locating branches and ATMs, and contacting customer support. Digging deeper, you might encounter information on specific products such as checking accounts, savings accounts, loans, and mortgages. The site's design probably aims for a balance between providing comprehensive information and maintaining a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. It's important to pay attention to the details, like how clearly they present fees and interest rates. Security is paramount when it comes to online banking, so look for information about their security measures and how they protect your financial data. Zions Bank likely provides resources for managing your accounts online, such as bill pay, money transfers, and mobile banking options. Exploring the website thoroughly can give you a good sense of whether Zions Bank meets your specific banking needs. Remember to always research and compare different banks before making a decision. Consider factors like the availability of physical branches, customer service ratings, and the overall user experience of their online platform. For those already banking with Zions, the website is your gateway to managing your finances effectively. Don't forget to explore the various tools and resources they offer to make your banking experience smoother. This overview should provide a good starting point for your own exploration of Zions Bank's online offerings.